In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can find the Wi-Fi password on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel under the Best Match. Now, once you're in the Control Panel window, simply click on this drop down and choose Category to view this into Category. And here you can find Network and Internet. Click on that. And here you can find this option, Network and Sharing Center. Click on that. Okay. Now, once you're in this window, you will find your Wi-Fi name, which is Hyperlink. Click on that. And this Wi-Fi status window will appear. Now, you have these two buttons, Details and Wireless Properties. Click on the Wireless Properties. And this network or wireless network properties will appear, which has two tabs, Connection and the Security tab. Click on the Security tab. And here you can find security type, encryption type, and the network security key. So here you can find your passwords. In order to view it, you just have to simply check this button, show characters. So I'm not just going to click on it, but in your case, you have to simply check that option, show characters, and that will view or that will let you or this password right here will be visible. Okay, so once you click on show characters, then you can view and find your Wi-Fi password. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.